Well, that's that. Oh my god, his eyes. FBI?
I should consult my superiors. Maybe... No, that's stupid. I gotta handle this on my own. My gut feeling is that Mars is innocent, and I gotta get him out of here.
Wait, I'm gonna help him escape? What is it with this guy and people just being like, yeah, fuck it, this guy's innocent. Let me help him out.
Did Mars confess?
No, not yet. He lost consciousness.
Conscious.
We'll give him a break and then we'll get back to him.
No, I
Must be
can't
tougher
just
than I
stand by and
thought.
watch. I'm gonna help Mars get out of here.
Tough or not, he'll crack. They all do.
I love beating up people.
In any
You're a
case,
good man, Lieutenant.
Congratulations, Lieutenant. You've done a fine job. I've called a press conference. Gonna kick off in 1 hour.
Oh my god.
Quite an event.
He's still handcuffed to
Don't
the
you want to
fucking
wait till
table.
we actually got his confession?
Has he confessed?
Not yet.
He's just laying on the
I see.
fucking ground. Indifferent.
It's none of my business. If Perry and Blake think Mars is the killer, what can I do about it?
Okay, why didn't you have that attitude earlier? Why did you force me to go to the Perry? Platypus.
I gotta find some way to get Ethan Mars out of here. Even if there's only a 1 in 1,000 chance he's telling the truth, he may still be able to save his son.
Let me just turn this off so I can beat up the guard. Out in the yard. It's just like ground. Oh my god.
Gotta find some way to get rid of the guard if I want to free Mars.
Pee pee poo poo. That's it. Okay. Don't I need this code? I remember needing this code.
I can't do anything for Mars. These are serious charges he's facing. He may be guilty. He's acting odd, his statements are all confused, and heck, he never said he wasn't the origami killer.
Okay.
That shithead Perry doesn't give a damn if Blake beats up a witness or if Mars is innocent. All he wants is to be able to tell the press they've arrested the origami killer.
Alright, well, can I go to his office, I guess? Sure can. It's locked. Can I talk to the secretary? Nope.
I just don't believe he's guilty. Nothing about him matches the killer's profile.
Interrogating room. More like beating room. I'll leave us.
Leave us alone.
Lieutenant Blake said to...
Please, leave us alone.
Oh,
Right. I'll be at the door if you need anything.
Christ. Are you all right, Ethan?
just beat the fuck out of him and left him on the ground. I don't know why that's so hilarious.
I gotta get out of here. I've gotta save my son.
You bet your ass, Buster.
I'll see what I can do. Should be able to get him out of here without being noticed.
What?
I'm gonna find a way to get you out of here, Ethan. Stay put. I'll be back. Shit! What am I doing? Helping a suspect to escape? That'll cost me my badge and earn me a 10-year stretch.
You going back in there? Oh, I know you gotta get a thing. Like this thing?
Gary, you can take a break. I'll keep an eye on him.
You sure? Actually, I was busting for a piss.
Well, I'm about to bust.
If you need to adjust his handcuffs, the keys are on my desk.
Your desk?
First, get rid of the cuffs.
Oh, here's this. That's handy. Didn't I have 4 other options? I can't think about anything else now. Okay, so I just need to go to mindless drone number 487's desk. Is it this one? It sure is. Wow, very subtle. Nobody saw a thing. Especially not Blake, who is right there and is looking at you. Easy game, question mark? Not that one, but okay. See you later. Okay. No, almost got it. There you go. I'm back. Okay, this one. No, this one. No. No. No, this one. This. Oh my god. This. There. Do it. Yes. Okay, thank you.
That's it. You're free.
Jeez.
Here, put this on. They're having a break. If you're quick, you'll be able to slip out without being noticed. Head straight to the exit. Don't stop, don't talk, don't even think. Just walk.
I don't know what to say.
Just say you're gonna save your son.
I'm gonna save my... He didn't say it.
I hope I won't regret that.
Simon Says. Boy, I sure hope I don't regret... Like, even if he isn't the killer, isn't that still super illegal? Okay. Dummy don't care.